Okie dokie. We going home now. This is what she's been doing. This is what she's been doing. Ryley, what are you doing? Sitting there spitting. I don't know why. What she been doing? I don't know. Better stop there.
Hey girl, is he everything you wanted in bed? Know I gave you the world, you had me in the palm of your hand. So why your love went away?
Oh my God.
I just can't see
Well, okay. Got these broken behind glasses and stuff. Well, we're about to go into my grandma's house, and we just came from my mom's house, Ryley's grandma's house, and we have actually, I didn't get to record. Park, my grandma's sitting outside being a stalker and stuff like that, and yada yada. So Jesus. Well, she got her a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a lot of stuff in here. Grandma went freaking all out. Look at Miss Ryley Quinn. Hello, baby. Hi. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You okay? We're just waiting for Grandma to, great grandma to get you. Wah, wah, wah. But yeah, we just came from going to the grandma's house, and now we're gonna be going right back into the house. Just waiting for our brother and sister to get home. Oh my freaking gosh, I gotta check in this car on the top of the roof.
When she eats them, you have to literally watch, because she'll chew it down to a little piece and then they break. But you know, she'll be able to gum it, but just don't watch she don't choke on it.
Okie dokie. Look, she looking at you.
So where you going, bye-byes? Are you going bye-byes? That ain't for you. That is not for you.
Okie dokie.
I love you.
Look, she don't even want to look out.
I love you. All right, Daddy gotta go get you. Oh God, she held on to my hand.
Yeah.
Oh look, she gonna cry.
No, she'd be alright. No, 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 no.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Go back and give me some fucking juicy. Bye bye.
just like that. Just